It's Chanique here from Cleanique Cleaning Services, helping busy entrepreneurs, busy professionals get back their time by cleaning their space. Please subscribe if you want to learn how to clean up your space, mind quickly, and just get back to business, crushing business. And I'm here to help you in this channel. And I'm going to show you how to set up your business or CRA account. It's pretty simple, but I actually went through a hiccup. And if you go through this like me, this will probably help you. So hopefully this helps you. We'll get into it. So this is obviously for Canada revenue, so it should be for all provinces, actually. But I'm from Ontario specifically, and I'll show you how to do it. So you go on Google and you just click CRA. If you have, and you should, especially having a business or just an individual at all, you would already have a personal CRA account. So this, I am helping you log in if you already have a personal CRA account. The same way you log into your personal is the same way you will log into your business, but then you would include your business number to set it up. And now obviously you'll understand as we go through it. So Canada Revenue, sign in. So it would say sign my individual account, sign your business. So this is where I got stuck. And I'm like, I don't have a business account. How am I supposed to do this? And this is information that I got specifically from calling the CRA account, CRA call line. So watching this video should help you avoid you having to do that unless you go into the error, get into the error that I did, and then you were forced to actually call them regardless. So I'm gonna go to log into my business account. I have option one is the easiest one, especially if you want automated payments. You should be partnering with your bank anyways. So I definitely encourage you to do that. Who wants to wait on checks anymore? Don't do that. Find someone to help you connect your bank account. So I'm going to sign in as one of my partners. Obviously, I'm going to blur this out. I'm going to cut it out. So when I come back, I've already signed in. Let me know, and maybe I could help you set this up in one way, but because I've already set it up, maybe I can't. But let me know in the comments if that's something you do want to help with. I can see if I can figure out a video for that. So I'm going to obviously click on the bank that is mine, and I'll be back shortly. So when you log in, you're going to come to this page. You're not going to have any numbers in here because you haven't registered your business or created an account yet. So it's going to then ask you to, I believe it's going to say enter your business number or something like that. And then you're going to add in your business number. Your business name registration number is different from your BN number, especially if you're a sole proprietorship. I'm only speaking from my experience. I don't work for Government of Canada. I am not some business administration professional. I just share these videos on my own experiences and what I know. I can only answer your questions according to what I know. So therefore, my experience is that I do have a sole proprietorship, and I register my business name, and usually that business name number is what you'll take to the bank and they're good. When it comes to the CRA, because you're a sole proprietorship and you technically couldn't have you can technically have multiple businesses registered. So what they do when you are sole proprietorship, you have one BN number that accounts for all your income as a sole proprietorship. How do you find this number? I personally did call CRA out of the not knowing this, and they did tell me that technically my registration business name is Chanique Stewart, right? So sometimes you would give your business name and people don't recognize it, but if you give your actual full name, then they recognize it because you're still a sole proprietorship with that identity. To my knowledge, that is what I understand. And then this is the number they gave me for my business number versus my business registration number, which is like specifically would have been for Cleanique cleaning services or my coaching business and a few other businesses registered for what you would register for $60. I made a video on how to register that. But if you already have this number, then you would input as they ask you to input your business number. If you were to put your business name registration number, it will not work, at least for me. Let me know if it did work for you, but it did not work. It will say this business is not recognized. But yeah, putting in this number works. However, my corporation, and if you watch any of my other videos, if you are looking to incorporate yourself in Canada and Ontario, check out owner.com. There's a link down below to get a, I believe it's a discount. Amazing company, very nice. I know recently they've actually switched over to only chat to set up, but once you do set up with them, then they will actually speak to you on the phone. You create a appointment and all that, and they're super helpful. Okay, you can also do sole proprietorship with them, and you can also do corporation, things of that nature. They're really helpful. I actually feel very safe and educated when I speak with them. So if you do want to incorporate, that's what you want to do. I have my corporation number and put it there. If you are incorporated and you're looking to do this, you would go on your article. Let me check here. Your organization information, and your business number would be here. I don't even know if I should be sharing this information, but I guess so. It's public. And then this is your business number. Obviously, you're not putting in these. Yeah, sorry, to 5. These codes. And then once you put it in, the system will recognize you and your business. And then if I were to click access bin, then it's going to show me how much I'm owing. If I'm owing, yes, you do owe a lot of taxes as a corporation. Thankfully, I paid off my last year. If I went back to Chanique again and access bin, then there is nothing there again. Again, I'm assuming it's because I didn't file it specifically under this bin number, and I filed all my sole proprietorship information as one identity as Chanique Stewart and did all that there. But yes, that's how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully I explained this right. Now, the problem that I went into is that even though I had this number for my corporation and I inputted, I had an error saying that you are not recognized as the owner of this corporation. And it's probably because I had an accountant first access this account, and they access it as obviously the third party, and the information put in me as the owner wasn't in. And that's what I'm assuming. But because I got that error, I had to actually call CRA because the system still, even through answering the questions, I wasn't able to be identified as the owner. So I did have to call CRA to be asked a few questions regarding my business. They did ask me information regarding my articles of incorporation. And so yeah, this is my owner.com back office. Again, if I'm showing you too much information, please don't steal my identity. But this is my back office of owner. It's all really organized. That all my documents is here. All my yearly updates. I just easily just click. They do reminders and pay what I need to pay, or I will online chat them if I need a appointment. I will go ahead and set that up. But yeah, so you will find that on your business number on your articles of incorporation. Once you call CRA and you get that error and it says that you are not recognized as the owner, or if you hopefully you don't, because I had to wait like a half an hour with the CRA. That's why I'm making this video, to help you out. If you get that error, then you would all need to provide them information with that, and then also going to want information on your tax return from last year. So if you haven't filed, it's going to be a little bit difficult, but maybe because if you haven't filed, they wouldn't ask you those questions. But that's how you create a Canada Revenue business account, so that just like you would input, find out what you owe, find out what you need, your return, all your tax information for later on your personal CRA account, you would have the access here on your business account. The reason why I'm showing this is because all last year I did not have access, and I had to go through my accountant and ask her all these questions, and eventually got fed up, and I'm like, I need to have my own access so I can see it myself. And that's why I made the CRA business account. I was avoiding it for so long because I just didn't know how to do it, and now I made this video. Hopefully this will help you do it. for yourself. Let me know if you like this. Let me know if you have any other questions. I will answer to my best of my abilities. Remember, I'm not a professional. This is all my own experience helping you clean up your business admin, clean up your space, you busy entrepreneurs and busy professionals. Because I know waiting half an hour for CRA is not what you want to do. So hopefully this 15-minute video helps you. You can skip through it. So yeah, thank you so much. Be sure to subscribe. Show this video love. Thank you for supporting thus far. Have an amazing day and kill it in your business. Bye.